All right, it is Wednesday. Remember, we have our rhyming, and it's the nonsense word, and then you say not fittin', kitten. Today's category is people in our family. So like mom, dad, sister, brother, those kinds of people, okay? Zad, not Zad, dad. Stom, not Stom, mom. Vister, not Vister, sister. Sluther, not Sluther, brother. Trandma, not Trandma, grandma. Brandpa, not Brandpa, grandpa. Good. Okay, onset fluency. Tell me what sound all of these words start with. Run, run, Randy Rabbit. Quincy quit quarreling. Qua. Vanessa views Valentine's. V. Willie was weakly wiggling. Wa. Olive octopus objected. Ah, good job. Okay, blending. I'll go first, then you. Ang, fang. Yell. Back. Wand. Bump. Such. Okay, great job. Isolating final sounds. I'll say the sound, you tell me what they end with. Bark, hike, k. Peas, his. Light, late, t. Laugh, rough. Pop, deep, puff. Very good. Okay, we're segmenting. Get out your choppers. Wink. Ink. Your turn. Maid. Aid. Lung. Ung. Read. Eed. Sell. L. Okay. Now we're going to add our initial beginning phonemes. We have own, add the at the beginning to make bone. We have ode, add k at the beginning to make code. We have ope, add at the beginning to make rope. We have oak, add j at the beginning, and the word is joke. We have oat, add v at the beginning, and the word is vote. Now we're deleting, taking away. We have the word Pete without p. What's left? Eat. We have meal without What's left? Eel. We have read without What's left? Eed. We have beat without b. What's left? Eat. We have reach without What's left? Each. Almost done. We have substituting. That means I take part away, put in a new part. We have boat, change B to K, oat, coat. We have coat, change K to N. What word? Note. We have note, change N to What word? Wrote. We have wrote, change to D. What word? Dote. Good job. Okay, counting words and sentences. Last part. The sunset is beautiful. Okay, let's count. The sunset is beautiful. 4. She is helping push the wheelchair. I'll give you time to count that. She is helping push the wheelchair. Ready? She is helping push the wheelchair. 6. Okay, one more. Practicing handstands is so fun. Practicing handstands is so fun. Practicing handstands is so fun. 5. All right, bye-bye. We'll see you later.